Another question for the discussion, students, that discuss the education as a model of change in traditional society. Writing an answer of this question, we have to write about that what basically the traditional society is all about. The traditional society is all about in which there is no development is being there. There is no participation of the woman as a development. They are believe in old sort of rituals and superstitions. What the role of the education as a agent of the development in traditional society? Education, as we all know, like we need water for the survival. Education is like a necessity in today's time. Education changed the mindsets of people. They change the trend of the society. If an individual is being educated, the way of looking the things, the rationality approach, it's all change a lot as compared with the individual who is not receiving education. With the span of the changes in the level of society, now we see that especially in each and every society, now the level of education is being rising with the change in the outlook. So the education play a very important role in today modernization of a traditional society. Earlier, in the traditional society, they are just thinking on that and male is for the outside affairs and the woman is managing the domestic affairs. Now, with the change in that level of education, the women also equally participate in the economic activities. Now, women also are more career oriented. With the span of the changes in the education, like earlier the tradition of early marriages and all, the child marriage and all, with all changes. Today, people are educated and they plan the future of our children. They plan what it is being good and what it is being a right way towards the development. Education is very necessary aspect as an agent of change because a society is all about changing. It is never always in the same mode of position. It's changed a lot with the changes of the time. Earlier, we can say that we not having the proper amount of the facilities, but today we have a lot of facility, lot of education institution is being there, and the government also organizing various educational programs in the form of scholarships and all, raising the level of education, creating awareness among the people that if you are educated, you build a good society. So by through the changes in the mindset, education play a very important role in the development of a traditional society. Earlier, the traditional society is basically, it's all about the men's oriented. Now they are being changing towards, the culture is being changes, the lifestyles and attitudes is being changes. So the education is play a very vital role in the development of a society, because if we don't change our mindset, we not adopt the proper things in a right manner. So by through the education, we can receive good things and adopt that particular change in a society. Thank you all.